This is the side of our house where it's currently empty with few flowers here and there, and we would want to optimize this space for our next garden season. I would call this raised bed a modular raised bed because you can pretty much expand the length or just create a divider within the raised bed. What we're using in our garden beds are actually two materials only, the wood and the garden wall brick, where it's going to hold the wood to create the raised bed. The brick is 5 inches in height, and the four sides have an opening that can accommodate up to 2 inches in width of the wood that you can easily slide in to create the structure or the formation that you want for your raised bed. You can choose to create just a long raised bed, but in our case, we want to separate the vegetable and the flower garden. I am going to show you how this modular garden raised bed works. You need a flat surface to create the box, the raised bed that you want without adjusting the soil topography. So what you're going to do is just slide in the wood, which has a thickness of 2 inches, which would fit right into the opening on the side of the brick, just like we did here. We are planning to fill these raised beds with the leaves from our big tree in front of our house. So it would serve as our compost pit, and when the time comes, we will just add the soil. There is a hole in the middle of the brick for peg if you want to secure it in place. In this case, in our case, we don't need it. I am thinking that I could use the hole to create a trellis for my tomatoes if I want to plant tomatoes in this area. And I think that's strong enough to secure a tomato plant. And the box in general is pretty sturdy. It's pretty secure. My husband is checking if the wood is level, and I think he's right on. It's level. Congratulations! I am so excited about this garden because in the spring and summer, the sun is really shining straight to this area, and this is perfect for beans and tomatoes. And it's out of reach for Kurt because Kurt loves beans, and I think I can just leave it here without worrying him eating my beans and some vegetables. I am going to demonstrate how easy it is to create a raised bed with just wood and garden bricks. You could just easily slide in, and voila, you can create your raised bed. You need another brick, of course, to close the gap and to secure the wood. But other than that, I think that's it. So in the future, if my husband and I would like to extend a raised bed, we can just easily slide in another wood to create another raised bed. So that's how easy it is. These materials are available from Home Depot or Lowe's, and the price of the brick is about $3. John, my husband, is finishing up the raised bed to close the last end section of our garden. it's easy to create raised beds with these materials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.